10 or 12 hours just for the engine mounts. I don't know. It takes me 10 to 12 hours. I suck.
Bad boy missing some bolts, so I think it's just this one. Alright, so this particular Ferrari looks like we have some control arm wear. I'm not sure where that leak is coming from. There's some oil there. There's no clips on this side. Alright, now we see our trusty engine mount right there. Top is a little rusty, but let's get a better view. That's it. That's the engine mount. So there's a top view. Maybe you can kind of see. That's our engine mount right there. This to get some more sway, to get more leverage, and then turn by turn. Got a subframe bolts. Just gonna pretty simple actually. So we're utilizing one hydraulic jack, 2 screw jacks, and what we're gonna do here is we already raised the engine, took out the top bolt for the motor mount, right? And now we're gonna just put pressure on the subframe, take out the bolts, and slowly lower it, and see how much play we can get and try to sneak out these motor mounts. So let's see.
Haha!
Are you okay?
I'm great. So tell us how you feel about this motor mount.
What is it called?
A motor mount?
Motor mount. I feel like it was very easy. Right? It was easy, right? No, it was very hard, very hard.
Bodyguard?
Yes.
Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty easily, you can move that. So let's make sure we get the right one. All right, and then let's get it back in there. Sits like this, and then the bracket comes down with the bolts at the the bottom. So let's see how that fits. Let me show you positioning of this, where this mount goes. You want to make sure you see the nipple. You want to make sure you put the mount orientated in the right direction. So we know that this came off like so, this way. All right, so we can put the same one back on the same way. Audio.